So I'm here with my daughter Liza at Tio's Tacos in Riverside. Can you believe this place, Liza? What do you think?
It's pretty amazing. I mean, you had pointed out before every square inch, like all these bottles in the walls behind us, everything. The floor has shells in it.
There's skeletons buried in the ground. We won't ask,
No,
could be a crime scene, but I hope not.
I made an arrangement with Martin that you're going to be in here as well.
Nice.
Yeah. Love my father so much.
There's a wing. Oh my gosh.
Stop.
And when did you start tacos?
Right here, I started right here in 1990.
1990. Okay. So, and you got through COVID. You got through this period. Good for you. Was it hard? Was it hard to get through this period?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was difficult,
Yeah.
but our team is really good.
What
most
nice
of our
people.
team,
Yeah.
most of our team has been for over 20 years when my parents started.
Wow.
So our team was by our side, and we all kind of got through it together. And
Yeah.
our community as well. When we opened, because we were actually close friends.
Okay.
When we opened back up, our community just we were missed.
They were
yeah.
waiting in line.
Yeah, so we thank our community as well for always being so kind to us.
Oh, that's great to hear. Well, Kimberly and Sanchez, thank you for this incredible, beautiful, beautiful wonderland. You got to come to Riverside. Tio's Tacos will show you the information and great food. We just had the food, loved it. But come down and check it out.
Thank
we
you.
continue on our trip.
Thank you for coming. Mi casa es su casa.
There we go. Pat Pattison, Best of California Award. Talk to you soon.
Hi, I'm here at Tio's Tacos, and not only is this an incredible place with artwork, but it also has incredible food, of course. I got the chiliqueles rojos, and what did you get, Josh?
I got the 2 taco plate with potato here and an extra taco on the side of asada.
It was so good he had to have more. Let's check it out. Really good so far.
Super good.
Yum.
Advice your dad gives you.
I just love my father so much.